Welcome back to the MakeForms 2.0 tutorial series. Today we're exploring the new Kanban View in MakeForms 2.0. Whether you're tracking workflows, managing leads, or simply keeping submissions organized visually, Kanban View helps you do it all in real time. Let's take a look at how it works. From your MakeForms dashboard, simply select the form you want to work with. Then click on Responses. By default, your responses open in Grid View. To create a Kanban layout, click Add View and choose Kanban View. Give your view a name, then select the field you want to group responses by. MakeForms will automatically organize your responses into columns, with each column representing a different value from that field. Each submission shows up as a card inside its respective column. At the top, you'll see the same toolbar as in Grid View, with key features that let you customize your Kanban board even further. Columns. Choose what details show on each card, like loan amount or assigned officer. Turn fields on or off based on what you need to see. Filter. Apply filters to narrow your view. For example, you can show only applications where loan amount is above $60,000. Group. Change the grouping field anytime to reorganize your board. For example, group by assigned officer to focus your view. Sort. Sort cards within each column using fields like submission date or loan amount to bring your most urgent applications to the top. Export. Once you're done reviewing, export all or filtered applications as a CSV or bundle file to share or process externally. One of the best parts? You can drag and drop submission cards from one column to another. This automatically updates the value of the selected field, keeping your data clean and up to date with no extra clicks. Click on any card to open the full submission. From here, you can view all submitted data and add internal notes for tracking or team collaboration. You can also rearrange columns by simply dragging them into the order that fits your workflow. Just like with Table View, you can save multiple Kanban views, so different teams can view and manage data in a way that fits their workflow. Kanban View gives you the full picture, making it easier to manage your forms like a pro. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more MakeForms tutorials.